Tip number 6, sign up sheet. I have mixed feelings about this. I put sign up sheets right by the front door where there's a QR code that they can scan, they can fill out their information in there. I also have physical sign-up sheets. I have a card somewhere around here. It basically asks them a few questions. Have you been pre-qualified? Check the box. And then on the back, it's got some notes. So usually I'll carry that around with me when a client comes in and ask them questions. And that's why I say I'm a little bit hesitant when it comes to sign-up sheets, because even though the goal is to capture their information, but more so the goal is to build the relationship by talking with them, by asking questions, walking them, showing them the property and figuring out what they want. You can tell them how great this property is, but if they already have it in their mind that they hate it and they want to move on to the next one, it's your job to figure that out so that you can figure out, well, what are you looking for and how can I help you find it? Because if you know your market, you're going to know there's other properties based on what they're telling you. You're going to be able to figure out which one's right for them. So when I say hesitant about sign up sheet, what I really mean is I'm more interested in building a conversation and asking them questions, getting to know the buyer and what they're looking for. From there, I'm usually going to get their information. If I'm asking the right questions, if I'm working on the relationship, I'm going to get their information. I'm going to be texting them after saying, hey, you know what, I've got this house, or I think this might be a better play for you, or you know, maybe it's better to sit and wait for a little bit because this one might be coming on the market. If I'm just telling them, hey, the seller wants you to fill out a sign-up sheet before you walk in here, then they're not gonna like that. They're already gonna feel like, what, am I a stranger here? You think I'm gonna rob the place? Is that why you want me to fill out the sign-up sheet? So I put them there. I put the QR code so they can scan it. I leave them out, but more so, I am much more interested in having a conversation, getting to know them, than eventually building a good enough relationship where they want to be my client. You're going to get the contact info better that way, rather than them just filling out a sign-up sheet and putting a fake email or a fake phone number down. So focus on the relationship. All right, so if you enjoyed our content and it was useful, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe down below. Or if you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance, make sure to reach out to us. You can give us a call. You can send us an email. You can even send me a text message. All of our information is in the description. Look forward to hearing from you.